Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my buttermilk chicken sandwich. So let's cook. So here I have 5 chicken breasts that I've just flattened out into chicken fillets. You want to get yourself about 1.5 cups of buttermilk with 1/4 cup of hot sauce, some fresh ground pepper, some salt, some onion powder, and garlic. Now you just want to mix that up. Now you just want to take your chicken and you want to put that inside. And you're just going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes in your refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and make my dry batter. And for that, you're going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and you want to add in about 1 cup of potato starch. Now to this, you want to add some seasoning. So you want to add in about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, about 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of Sazon Complete. And if you want it spicy, you can add in some Slap Your Mama, or you can add in some cayenne pepper. I'm going to add in a little bit of Slap Your Mama. And that's about 1/2 tablespoon. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix. Now you always want to taste your flour to make sure you have enough seasoning. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more seasoning salt. I'm going to mix this up. Okay, so now that we have our flour mixture in, we're going to go ahead and put our chicken in. And once it's covered like that, you want to go ahead and press your flour mixture into your chicken like this. Now you want to get out a shake. And you want to put it off to the side. So here's all our chicken pieces all breaded up. So I'm just going to take these over to the stove to fry them up. Okay guys, so I have my oil heating up in my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And look at that crust on it, guys. That is so beautiful. So I'm just going to put these off to the side on the cooling rack. I'm going to continue to fry up the rest of my chicken, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all done. Okay guys, so all of our chicken is done. Can you just hear how crispy these chicken breasts are? So now that our chicken is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting our sandwich together. Okay guys, so I have a brioche bun here that I just toasted up in the pan with some butter. And I'm just gonna put some mayonnaise on our sandwich. And I like to put mayonnaise on both sides. But you don't have to if you don't want. Now I have some lettuce. And I'm just gonna take my lettuce and spin it like this. Next I have our tomato. And I'm gonna put our tomato on top like this. Now we're just gonna take one of those chicken breasts and put it on top with a couple of pickles. And we're just gonna top that sandwich up like that. And that's it guys, that's how I make my chicken sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!